In this video, I will show you how to create a weekly workflow in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Create a new board in Monday.com by clicking the blue plus button. Scroll down to board and select the arrow. Then start with template. You can then search for the template that you would like to use. So we are going to use project workflow. Then select the blue button in the right corner. Use this template. You can then edit this template to your liking and add items. So I will add video 1 and video 2. You can then add descriptions. You can select the priority of this item, low, medium, or high. You can give a timeline of when this project or item needs to be completed. You can select a duration as well as a deadline and then the status of that item. Once you have completed editing your project workflow, you can then add automations. So when status changes to something, notify someone. So when status changes to complete, then item name will be notified to myself, Kyle Middleton. Then select Create Automation. And that is how you create a weekly workflow in Monday.com. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.